Goodbye.
Hello.
Red, white,
Green. Yellow. Blue.
black,
The bicycle is green. The car is white. The rice is white. The car is green. The apple is green. The milk is white.
The fish is red. The bicycle is yellow. The fish are red. The bicycles are yellow.
they are red.
It is blue and green.
It is black and white.
They are white.
The apple is yellow. The egg is blue. The sky is blue. The sun is yellow.
The dog is small. The flowers are big. The flowers are small. The dog is big.
He is a teacher. She is a doctor. They are police officers.
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am a doctor.
Are you a doctor?
No, I am not a doctor.
I have a yellow book. I have a
I have a green book.
You have a red book. You have a yellow book. I have red apples.
We have green apples.
I have a red bicycle.
We have green bicycles. We are girls.
We are police officers.
We are doctors.
We are boys.
He has red flowers. She has red flowers. We have red flowers. You have red flowers. I have red flowers. They have red flowers. What are you drinking?
I am drinking water.
What are you eating?
I am eating rice.
What do you have?
I have a sandwich.
What do you have?
I have a pen.
What is the man doing? The man is cooking. What is the woman doing? The woman is reading. What is the boy doing? The boy is running.
What is the doctor doing? The doctor is writing. What is the police officer doing? The police officer is driving.
What is the girl doing? The girl is walking. What are you doing?
I am writing.
What are you doing?
I am driving.